Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. I have here a new project. This one is a fashion earring. Look at this. This one is made from the cups from the yogurt cups, plastic cups from the yogurt, a sweetened yogurt. I cut out from the cups from the yogurt into a leaves type, or the shape is like a leaves. Two pieces of this type, and polish it with the glitters, with the nail polish with glitters. So cut out two pieces of leaf types and fix it with the use of the adhesive glue or a nail polish. Fix it together so that it will look like this. And after, when it is dry, you can brush it with the nail polish with glitters. Nail polish just transparent color with glitters. And then punch a hole here and fix a ring and a hook, and it will look like this. This is a very easy way how to recycle plastic waste and transform into a unique, beautiful fashion earrings. So if you want to learn how to create this project, please watch my video tutorial. Click my channel playlist, how to create fashion jewelry made from recycled materials. Just click the playlist SGM Creations and Tutorials, so you can find my video tutorials on how to recycle plastic waste and transform into unique, beautiful fashion accessories. So please give a thumbs up, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so that you learn how to create different fashion accessories. And in my channel, I have posted a lot of video tutorials so that you will learn how to recycle and transform into unique and beautiful projects. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe to SGM Creations Tutorials. Dankeschön, maraming salamat. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and